Good, y'all. Back with episode 2. Today we'll be cooking Cajun Chicken Alfredo. Let's get it.
Okay, our seasonings we're going to use for the chicken is salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, Saison, Thai seasoning, onion powder, and garlic powder. We're going to cut up 2 cloves of garlic. Alright, then after that we're going to mix it all together and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Alright, to a nice hot pan, I like to add a little extra virgin olive oil. Want to make sure the oil's all over the pan. We don't want that chicken to be sticky. Alright, after your chicken done, we're going to add some peppers and 1 clove of garlic and 1 tablespoon of butter to a pan. Let that cook down. Don't cook them all the way, just cook them till they sweat. Alright, to a nice hot pot of boiling water, I like to add the salt and the noodle. Alright, we'll start the Alfredo. To a nice hot pan, add a little oil and our herb butter. We're going to add 2 cloves of garlic and a fresh Italian basil. We're going to add 1 pint of heavy cream and also Parmesan cheese, shredded. Same seasonings blends for the chicken. A little salt, pepper, Saison, Italian, paprika, a little more chili peppers. And we're going to make it Cajun, so we got to add that Cajun seasoning now. Tony's, yeah, season to your liking. Once the Alfredo comes back to a good consistency, we're gonna start adding everything back into the pot. I like to always remember to fold and not stir. Now we're going to roast this clove of garlic for our garlic bread. Sheesh! Look at that right